How to get paid speaking opportunities via Instagram. Make money on Instagram, part 8. Step 1. Start listing down events that are taking place in your city and ask for a free speaking slot. Step 2. Don't forget to capture your moments there. Upload reels and photos of the event, especially where you are talking. Step 3. Now ensure when you upload, you talk about how people can hire you for speaking at their events. Don't forget to pin that particular post. Step 4. Use hashtags like hashtag niche coach. For example, hashtag digital marketing coach, hashtag digital marketing speaker, hashtag Mumbai speaker, hashtag keynote speaker India, hashtag digital marketing trainer. Customize this as per your domain. Step 5. Keep telling people via stories. Where are you speaking next? Even if that is a free slot. Step 6. Invite your audience to your webinar through your stories. Let them experience your session and tell them how you are available to collaborate and train their audiences at a very affordable cost so that you can get more social proof for your Instagram. So keep repeating the above and you'll eventually start getting speaking slots. For more such tips, don't forget to follow Saurav Jain.